Hi guys, welcome to my channel Jessie Tries It. Today we're going to be doing Joanna Gaines chocolate chip cookies with a little twist to it. Let's get baking.
To start this recipe, you need one large bowl and a medium bowl, and in the medium bowl you need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You need 1 heaping teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now you're going to add 2 cups of light brown sugar into your large mixing bowl. After that, you're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now add 8 tablespoons of room temperature butter. It can be salted or unsalted, and then add 2 large eggs into the mixture. Now mix all of your wet ingredients together. It should come out smooth with little chunks of butter in it. The butter chunks will help your cookies to come out caramelized once they bake in the oven. Now you add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients, and you want to beat it until it is well incorporated together. And here's the little twist that I added to the recipe. I'm adding mint chips and semi-sweet chocolate chips. It's a really delicious combination together. The original recipe calls for 1.5 cups of chocolate chips, but this time around I just went ahead and added 1 cup of the mint chips and then 1 cup of the semi-sweet chocolate chips. And they taste so delicious. Now beat in the chocolate chips until well combined. This is what the finished project should look like. Now take a cookie sheet and then add some parchment paper to the top. Normally you would use a trigger release ice cream scooper to make the dough balls, but since I didn't have one of those on hand, I just went ahead and eyeballed it and basically just rolled the cookie dough with my hands. I was able to fit easily 1 dozen of the cookie dough balls onto my sheet. Make sure that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then the original recipe says to put it in for 11 minutes, but mine actually needed to be in for 17 to 18 minutes. But they were perfectly soft and chewy when they came out of the oven. This is the finished product. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked what you saw today, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see future content and recipes, go ahead and subscribe as well. I will see you later. Bye!